Alright, there we go again. Every day. We gonna do this again. Oh my god. It's kind of windy. Kyuki is going to, she's preparing already because, oy, Kyo! Tanggalin mo yung, she has a first quarter exam today with Ling, with Nini, and others. So her way is half, like they're only using like half day. So today they get like a half day school. So their schedule is 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and that is what they're getting ready to take the first quarter exam. Hopefully they're doing pretty good in their quarter exam. But guess what? There we go again. It's raining is coming here. It seems like they always start down there and then they come here slowly and slowly. Then later on it's gonna be muddy and floody. Yes? Ano? Here. You go pee? Okay. Good job. Pee over there. Good boy. Yeah. You need to, because he's kind of scared it comes to police when you tell him there's a police. So, prior for him to pee properly, poop properly, you need to tell him not to go, or tell me if you're paying, if you feel pee, so you can go somewhere to pee in the proper way. Because the police will going to caught you, diba? If you're not, no? I know, that's why you need to be good, because police will going to pick you up if you're going to pay anywhere. No? Look at your face, oh. But this one here, it's very nice for them if they have rain. As you can see, there were the wild spinach or kangkong. They're very greenish because it is rainy. They loves to have rain, and that is one thing about them, that rain is very good for them because they make their color green. Later on we are going to harvest eggplant again, never ending eggplant. This one here, see this, I always like this one here. They brought like a lot of flowers. This one over here too, I think they're become so this one here, this is what you get when they are all dead. You get it, you replant it, and then that's how it works down. Now this is here has a lot of ready of replanting, as you can see down. That one down there, that's all flowers. So what my plan is, we're gonna change this. We're gonna change this one here. We're gonna change everything. And my plan is to put like soil more, and then put this one here. Put all of that down there to have the flowers. This is just nice flowers. So I'm planning to replant something over here, and that is my plan. So raining is coming. I need to go in. Sana, Sunny. Alright guys, I am making breakfast. Oh no, dinner actually tonight. This one here is for Brian. It's gonna be like onion red, and it's gonna be like a beef, and it's gonna be like a cheese, and of course we have a french fries. This one thing over here, sometimes the french fries are not that good. It's just too small. Supposed to be this one has a rolls. However, the one that I'm asking to buy the rolls, she said she forgot. So I don't know why and she forgot, but she have the exam today. So Kyo, how was the exam today?
Kala hindi mo pa-exam.
Why?
Kay nag-exam pa ako.
Then
Sa tail ina mo, taghatag na niya ang i-exam sa science. So naglibog ako unay-unahon ko.
so your teacher was, you're trying to get the new one subject to start the exam, and then your teacher give you another subject to take the exam. Did you ask her why?
Tapos nahuman kami alas 2.
Then you finish with 2? So 1 hour in 2 subject?
Tulo ta ka
Ay 3 subject in 1 hour? So they only give you like 20 minutes? Do you really think you're gonna take that 20 minutes on? Like, do you really think you have a high
Ang sa
score?
English, taas ako dito.
Why? Why you think it's
Kaya
English?
memorize ko mga answer.
Oh, you memorize the answer in English? Do you really
Ikapili
think
na
so?
kami mag-class yan. Tutag balik-balik na ni ma'am.
You think you get 100 in English?
Pag dako ako dito, may price ko.
So you need to have a price if you think 100. I'm gonna buy it 100 pesos if you got 100 over 100.
150 talaga na to.
1 piso per each. Oh, dude. 100 gani. 100 if you have 50 over 50 on that subject.
Grabe sa...
No mistake.
Na.
That's how it works.
Mabulok sa binatong kamot.
Patay ka. Are you going to find excuses for things? Well, why did you ask your teacher? Did you think you understand all the subject that you does?
Ang iba na. Ang math, daily ko understand ngayon.
And then why did you ask her?
Pero atong nag-quiz kami sa math, naka-perfect ako.
Sometimes you need to remember that if you don't understand, ask.
Ano gani? Pag makapokus ako, maka-answer din ako.
If you focus, so you need to focus.
Kung grabe ka chismosa ako tapa, dili din ako makakuan.
And why you bothered with your neighbor? If your neighbor got always like to be talkative, you can also tell to your teacher to like tell her just like she talked to
Ay,
her.
napansin lang ko sa mga bida-bida.
No, it's not bida-bida. It's about reality. You goes to school because you need to learn not to talk. Okay? So, that is Cutie. So, hopefully she get 100 over 50. 50 over 50, so she can get the award. Each subject that they will have, perfect. You gotta give them compliment. But anyway, that's, what's that? Batchoy. That's for Batchoy. That's, where is my Because I'm going to start cooking right now before my Q. Tingnan mo yung ko ha, baka lilipad yung ko. Oh my gosh, it's flying. Oh my gulay. I gotta finish this first. Alright guys, we are going to wrap our day up tonight. You know what, today, my mom went to the mountain. She used to do like harvest and sweet potato, root crops, every 3 times, 3 months, right? Yeah, every 3 months. So she went down there and then she tried to harvest root crops until she was digging the root crops until inside on the ground something bit on her hand. So as you can see my mom right now is at the back. So you can see her hand is like shaky at the other side because that is where the bit over here, this side here, that's how she bit. So she went to this, doctor. Yeah, how did she feel? It's Miguel's is the one who say that one because he was the one who first seen it. How did she feel at first?
It's hurt.
Really hurt.
Really hurt. You
Like
know,
she got bite. He have bite also.
In the immediate area.
Right.
Right.
Did it start burning up her arm?
It's something like when
Tingling up her arm?
she get home. I think she's crying because it's too much pain in it. And he tried to control herself, but it's too much pain. That's why he's just asking me for
Did you show Mom?
bring her to a budu.
Yeah, and then guess what? According to the quack doctor or budu is that what we call? She got bite on like a centipede, like a big one, really big. It's a mother. It's a mother ball.
Yeah,
mother ball, like a big one. There's two kinds of centipede. There has a black, and there is a red one. A black one but a red tails. They said the black one with the red tails is the most venomous. So my mom got that one. That's why she come home. My brother said she was just crying and it's like swallow, but it's like the pain. She said it's like going to her vein, go up.
She cannot even
She can't even like squeeze her hold the cup. That's how numb, and she was just so crying because she can't take the pain up. So she went to the voodoo, and the voodoo was doing something to her, like so like put in the head, like I think it's like ritual. They do like a kind of ritual, and then they put something like an oil. They say that is good for the venom or everything like that. So when she come home, pain is gone. So that's how we treat our like bites, insect. That's how we treat it comes to we bite in different insect over here, centipede, and that is majority of people go to instead of hospital. Mother, how you feel? You feel better, right? No, she said there's no pain anymore.
Gone.
Yeah, it's gone.
Still,
Swollen.
no, something like that.
Oh no, nagminhod pa di da? No, not at all.
Nothing.
Not at all.
lang pinaakan niya mo sakit anak.
Only the one that he got the bite over, because there's like two things over here that she got the bite. It still hurts a little bit, but as I said, all the pain, all the numbness is already gone. So that is the good thing. As I said, that is how we treat our, that is how we treat our, like majority of people in the province. They goes to the voodoo first when they bite something, or like a snake. My grandfather, I used to know that there's like people when they bite snake, they goes
You don't
to
get by a cobra.
my grandfather first.
Voodoo won't help cobra bite.
Well, the thing over here is you're in the island where venom, like venom, when come to snake, they don't have it. So where you gonna go?
No, cure.
No,
They have to have it. It's somewhere.
it's very rare.
Voodoo has it.
Yeah, maybe Buddha has it. So guys, anyway, that's about it for our day today. Girls are washing the same every day. So the person who always find excuses is over here. So hopefully her exam will be good. What did you think about your exam? You get the perfect? No. How about you, Ling? No also? My gosh, only Kyuki? Only Kyuki get the perfect score? Oh my gosh. Alright. That's about it. Thank you so much. Until next time from 215 Homestead.